Alright, here's the other Century ceiling fan. This is the 2-speed one that was damaged by the Postal Service. Let me show you how I fixed it. Let me get to the part that broke. So there's the part that was broken off. I used Gorilla Glue, which is, where is it? Right here. That worked just fine. I just put the blades on it. There's the blades for the other one. This is the 3-speed one. So I'm going to run this one. They're both 60-inch fans. This one actually doesn't wobble at all. That one, if you remember, wobbles a little bit. And it also doesn't spin as fast on high. This thing spins really fast, even on low speed, and it moves a ton of air. So I'm about to start this up here. This one also has a higher amp draw, so that the motor is a little bit more powerful in this one. Alright, go ahead and start it up on high in just a sec. I want to turn that fan that's running in the background off so you can hear this only. Alright, here's high. There's a little bit of a scraping noise when it comes up to speed. I don't know what's causing that, but it goes away when it gets up to speed. The amount of air this thing is moving is absolutely insane. I have never seen a ceiling fan that's this powerful before. Here's our amp draw. 3.42, which is normal for a shaded pole motor. 216 watts. Power factor is very low because, again, it's a shaded pole motor. Okay, and I'm going to duck down and we'll turn it on low. It only slowed down a very small amount. This thing runs fast on both speeds. Here's our amp draw on low. A little bit less, not much though. And I'll turn it back up so you can get a full view of it. It's a huge fan. And I'm going to turn it off now. And let it coast down. Can't believe that the balance on this thing is perfect. And I'll turn it back up to high so we can see what the amp draw is when it's coming up to speed. Alright, let's see what it is. That is one powerful motor, that's for sure.